Dimmer, I have 12 PH.
Hey guys, today we are going to be playing Puppet Chapter 7. I already completed the other six chapters. Can't speak right now because I just ate. Anyways, guys, I completed the other 6 chapters Puppet, and Chapter 7 was just released today. So today's goal is to escape Chapter 7, and I already found a key. Where does this go? Oh no, Piggy. The puppet is about to spawn. It's Farmer Missy. I already checked out the new skins, so I know some of the names of some of the new skins. Oh my god, the puppet is coming. Oh, that was a close one. Now, who has the red key? Ooh, there's a hammer that we can grab. I have the black key. Oh my god. It's not time to converse, people. Yeah. What do we need here? We need a sledgehammer. I saw a black lock before. Ooh. Orange key, girl. Girl, use the orange key. We're gonna... Yeah, get that blue key. Blue key. Oh, girl. We need to open the shed. Oh, this girl has the thing we need for the shed. Let's go. Oh no, we need the pickaxe. Where do we get the pickaxe? Oh, it says like a little checklist. There's a pickaxe. Let's see if there's a pickaxe in here. Oh, we need a hammer for that. Thanks, girl. This girl's useful. Oh god, there's a key right there. Wait, how many times are they going to stun it? They really need to save them. Ooh, a green key. Grab that black key. We're going to need that. We're going to need that for later. Ooh, I got a sledgehammer. Use this to break the wall down. Oh no, the piggy's right there. The puppet. We're not playing piggy. This is puppet. Okay. Anyways, let's break down this. Nope. There's nothing there. Pickaxe. Did I miss? Oh no. Nah, I'm not gonna grab it. I saw another wall in the shed. So, I found the sledgehammer. Okay, they use a hammer. Alright, now we need a green wrench. A green wrench. Wait, did they use it? Yep, it's on. It's on. I don't know. I don't know where the exit is. Why are you asking me? Where? What's over here? Nope, nothing here. Nope. Wait, do we have the pickaxe? No. We don't have the pickaxe yet. Does anyone over here know where the pickaxe is? We have to break down the thing. No pickaxe here. No other pickaxe. Wait, is there a pickaxe in here? Oh, we need a code for that. Is there something over here that we can break? Oh, right key. That was already used. I'm gonna look at the top part of the shed. There's seriously nothing over there? Did they open this area? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm getting scared by my own TV. Oh my god. Run, girl. Does she have the pickaxe? If she has the pickaxe, then I will be so mad. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Did they open the thing yet? Oh no. Puppet's after me. Wait. Where's the pickaxe? Run the other way! Dude, run the other way! Where do I go? Wait. Phew. Everyone else is being moved. Shut the door! Oh god, we have to run. Wait, she has the blue wrench! Blue wrench! Wait, where's the blue wrench go? Blue wrench, blue wrench, blue wrench. A red wrench, too. Let me turn up my stuff a little. Alright, now you guys can barely hear it. There's probably a pickaxe over here. Nope, no pickaxes. Dude, where is it? Oh, that's the crowbar. Dude. Someone has the pickaxe, but they just don't know where to use it. Oh my god. I'm trapped. Oh my god, I'm trapped. Yes! Juke! Get juked! Get juked! Get juked. Oh, we need a key! Oh my god! Where could the key be? Oh, does this girl have it? No. She has a different item. Let's look over here. There's probably... Whoa! Someone got the key! Oh! Oh, girl! Girl! Go! 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 We know where the key goes. Key! Oh my god, this girl has a key! Oh my god. Oh my god, Queen! Queen! Come on, come on, come on! Over here! No! Why is she not... Go the other way! Oh no! I'll lose time. Oh no! Come on! Come here! Come on! Why won't this girl use it? Who's trolling? Come on! This is all her fault that we're gonna lose. I am so mad at her. Come on! Oh, come on! This is all your fault! This girl sucks! Oh my god! Why won't she come and use the item? You know what? This girl sucks. I'm probably gonna join a different server. And if she doesn't do it correctly, then I'm definitely doing it. Come on! Oh my god, she's such an idiot. She doesn't even know where to use it. It's over here. Next time, I should have the item. Come on. This girl, come on. Go to an area that you haven't explored yet. Oh my god. Come on, come on. Oh my god, please. Please, we're doomed. Come on. It was her fault that we lost. She's probably gonna make us lose again. I am not ending this video until I escape. And if this girl doesn't do it right, then I'm gonna join a different server. That's right. It's her. Yeah, that's what they say in Darman. Whatever you believe you can achieve. But it was her fault that we lost. So I'm not too sure about that. I'm recording. Wow, whoever picked those two maps, whatever, I guess. Come on. Okay, if this queen girl doesn't know where to use the item, then I'll just show her where to use it if she can't find it. But whatever. Okay. I have to beat this. Let's go the other way. Crowbar! Crowbar! Yes, crowbar! Let's go! We got the crowbar. Got something. Oh no. Piggy's about to spawn. The puppet just spawned. Why do I keep saying Piggy? This is puppet, not Piggy. Seriously, there's nothing in here but a teddy bear? That's useless. Wait, is there... Oh, hammer! Girl! Wait, did she use it? Let's go check. Oh, wait, there isn't a puppet outside. Yes, she used it. Let's go. Let's go. I just heard it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I just saw the puppet. Puppet's over there. Oh my god. There's something right there. Now where? Come on. We might need that. Orange key, that's useless. We already use that. Let's see if that girl has anything. Let's see. In here. Nothing in here. Hey, what's this? Oh, pickaxe. Oh, puppets! Here! Run, people! Key! Wrench! I got a blue wrench! I got a blue wrench! Oh my god, I lagged. Yo! Oh, she fell! Oh my god. Oh my. It's already been used, dude. Think. Yeah, it's already been used. Where does the blue wrench go? The blue generator should be over somewhere. Oh, where is it? Where's the blue generator? key. This is just what we need. And a green key. Pickaxe! Let's go! We got the pickaxe. Let's go. Got it this time. Find this. Run, 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 run! Grab this key right here. Just got the sledgehammer. I know where this goes. Let's go. We got the sledgehammer. Boom. Nothing there. And there should be a shed, a crack in the wall. Yes, I found the exit. We need the hammer. Okay. Ooh, Red Ranch. The red generator should be here somewhere. If we can just find that generator, then we should be good to go. I found it. I think it's over here. Yes, I found it. Wait, was it already? No, it was used. Oh, girl. This girl has a hammer. Wait, no. What is this girl doing? Oh my god. We need that for the exit. Where is she going? Grab that. Come over here. Come on. The chat kind of gets in the way. Come on. Go down here. Don't. This girl missed the door blindingly. There you go. Boom. She should have used the hammer. Oh, black key! Snake! Snake! Black key! Go! Come on, black key! Black key person! Oh, we need the yellow key! Oh my god, I forgot! No, 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 blue key! We need the yellow key! Black key! Come on! Come over! Snake! Come on, Snake! Come on! Okay, if this dude doesn't... Oh, run! Go, 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 go! Just go! Just go today. Come on! We only have a minute. We have a minute left. Oh my God! The blue generator! Oh, come on! White key. Oh my! Phew! I almost oofed. That would have been bad. Let's go. Let's go. Yes! Yes! We're gonna make it! Yes! Yes! We made it! We did it! Let's go! We did it! Guys, there's a phone ringing. This must be where all the puppets are made. Yes, I understand. 8 p.m. sounds good. See you soon. Hangs up. So this is where the puppets have been coming from. These puppets were all made in a lab? Why would anyone ever do all of this? We can't worry about this. We need to find Billy. An address to a place in the city. And look, it's Billy's cap. We need to go to this address and save Billy. Anyways guys, I'm going to end off the video right here. If you guys enjoyed this gameplay, smash the like button. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.